Lord, their ability to step into the house of the Lord and worship God, given back to them. And yet only one came back to praise Jesus. And he said, didn't I heal all 10 of you? Our healing isn't always dependent on our gratitude. Jesus works in our lives whether we acknowledge it or not. And Jesus said, why aren't the others found to come back and give praise to God? And my challenge, the challenge of this song is, Pastor's been telling us for the past 2 weeks, write down what you're grateful for, and that's great. Let's acknowledge what God is doing in our lives. But more than that, are you coming to God and giving him praise for those things? Because that's how we connect to what God is doing in our lives. May I be found to come back and praise you, God. May I be found to come back and praise you, Jesus. I once was lost without hope. Sin I could not carry. You spoke healing to me. You found me and you saved me, and in your grace remade me. May I now live always, Lord, for you. Sing along. May I be found to come back and praise you, God. May I be found to come back and praise you, Jesus. Your voice calls out to me. Your hand guides me through. Your truth lights up my way through every shadow and past every failure. When I am broken, you are there. May I be found to come back and praise you, God. May I be found